Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another glove review slash unboxing. I can't really call this a review because I haven't actually used these yet, but I've just received these in the post. So these are the Adidas Hybrid 300X Reborn, and yeah, Hybrid 300X Reborn. So I've actually had these out of the packaging once. I got them in the black and white. You can also get them in black and gold. This one's actually still got the tag on, but I got these in 16 ounce. I'm pretty sure these are 16s anyway. These are made with real leather, cowhide leather, and yeah, as I say, these are the black and white, as you can see. So the text will be reversed because I'm using the selfie camera on my phone. But yeah, taking a look at the glove, it has this longer wrist cuff. So if I just put it on to show you guys, putting my hand in the glove as well, it's really comfortable, definitely very comfortable. And you can see you get a nice firm closure there on that strap, really nice wrist support there, as you can see. I've actually got these, I've recently started kickboxing, so these hybrid gloves, I've seen Rico Verhoeven use these in a lot of his training videos and sparring videos. Perhaps not these exact hybrid gloves, but he does use these Adidas style hybrid gloves. It says on their website that they are suitable for boxing, kickboxing, Muay Thai, MMA. I think that's probably where they got the hybrid name from, maybe, unless that's because of the hybrid 3-layer foam padding, but we'll get into that. So these gloves, just from, you know, first trying them on, are very comfortable. They actually use, if I show you here, they actually use on the strap, there's like a little elasticated part here. There, so you've got your regular strap, and you've got this elasticated part that actually goes through the glove as well. So when you fasten the glove, it ratchets over and pulls this bit tighter across, which is really nice. The glove also features this kind of almost like ridged shield part for your wrist here, which I actually think is going to be great for me from blocking kicks. That padding there, that hard padding on the wrist and behind the strap as well, is going to be great for me for blocking kicks. And you can see that big ridge, and there's actually, it's pretty good actually. It stops your wrist bending back, but I actually feel like there is enough flex there for if I want to do clinching, or when I do my clinching at my Muay Thai. Because a lot of obviously Thai gloves are very flexible, but I don't really enjoy wearing a lot of Thai gloves because I like wrist support, whereas I can still bend these. I feel like I can bend them enough anyway for clinching, at least for sparring, you know. Like, you can't use your own gloves in contest anyway, but it's got the logo on it there, which says that it is real leather. That is the hide logo, and it just says Hybrid 300 down the side. I know, again, text will be back to front, but it says Hybrid 300 down the side. Looking at the palm, it's really nicely stitched. You've got this kind of two-tone black and white style. Again, if you got the black and gold, I believe all of what is white on here would be gold. And you can even get them in a blue, red and silver, I think, but they're pretty hard to get hold of. There's ventilation holes on the grip bar. It's a pretty nice grip bar actually. It's not too hard, it's quite spongy. And there's also ventilation holes in the thumb as well. As I said earlier, this is made with real cowhide leather. They're really nice, you know, kind of looking gloves, I think. I really like the black and white, and I'm hoping these are going to be my workhorse gloves for the next year or so. I mean, I might be able to get even longer out of them maybe, but I'll have to do an update on the longevity and durability of these gloves. Maybe I'll do a video following up on these after 6 months of use. I'll need to put a reminder for me to do that. But another thing I really like actually, which would be good for me, specifically me for my Muay Thai, is there is a lot of spongy padding here on the actual, on this part of the glove right here. There's quite, let me come to this side. There's quite a thick spongy padding there, which is really nice. In fact, all the way around this part, there's a lot of padding. Now that's going to be great for boxing as well, because if you're parrying shots in boxing, you're parrying, this big spongy padding right round your kind of the bottom of your hand and your high, you know, the end of your wrist, that's going to be great for me for blocking kicks, and also in boxing for parrying shots. I can open my hand pretty okay in them already. This is straight out of the box. I've not trained in these once yet. I literally got them about 10 minutes ago. Yeah, opening my hand, pretty decent. Takes a little bit of effort, but as I say, that's pretty good considering I've never even worn these yet. And the wrist just feels, I think that is my favourite thing about these gloves from a first look standpoint. That wrist is just so nice. It fits perfect. There isn't too much overhang on the strap, which I feel is a great thing. So many gloves, you'll ratchet it tight and there'll be a massive overhang on the gloves, like, you know, big flap on the strap. But this is not hanging over too much. The thumb's nice. The thumb is actually very comfortable. It's in a really good position. I feel like it's a very natural feeling position. Now the padding, going into the padding, oh yeah, it says hybrid on the thumb as well. But going into the padding, it's quite a hard padding at the moment. Now, I'm not going to say that is what the padding kind of is like, because again, I've never used these. I need to break them in. I'll do a 6-month follow-up on these. And the gloves are kind of moulded in that shape, or you know, already. But yeah, the padding, it uses a 3-layer foam padding. That's what Adidas says. And it's pretty hard, but I'm guessing these are going to soften up quite nicely. We'll see in the follow-up video. The stitching, in general, is actually really, really neat stitching. There's no kind of scruffy stitching there. Even along this like ridge line, all the stitching is really nicely done. And overall, I think that these are going to be a really nice, you know, pair of gloves for me to use as my workhorse gloves and training. One way to know if you have the hybrid 300X, these are the Reborn gloves. So this is kind of like the, I guess you could call this the remastered version of the original hybrid 300s. I'd say the way that you can know if you have the original hybrid 300s, which actually had horsehair in them as well as foam, or if you've got the 300X Reborns, which are these ones which only use the 3-layer foam padding, is a little teeny thing, and it sounds stupid but it's true. On the 300X Reborn, the thumb attachment there, as you can see, that little piece of material there is leather. However, on the original 300s, it was a canvas thumb attachment. But overall, I'll put both of these pairs of gloves on. We'll do the putting on test, see how easy they are to put on when you've got the other glove on. And they're a piece of cake. What can I say? They are actually a piece of cake. That hand opens up nicely. You can easily grip your other glove. It's something people don't think about. Some gloves are a nightmare to put on by yourself, whereas these are really nice and easy to put on. But there you go. There is my first look at the Adidas Hybrid 300X Reborn. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave me a comment. I'll be doing a 6-month follow-up on these. I will have my video out soon as well on my follow-up video for the Sidekick Victory Series kickboxing gloves that I did a review on about 2 weeks ago. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed. For now, stay safe guys, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.